Hello, my name is Dale del Valle, and alongside Alex Arguelles, David Quinones, and Enrique Pita, we have developed the Embedded Copilot. Now, what is embedded programming? Instead of thinking about your typical laptops or phones, which you might be using to watch this video, think of your microwave, your keyboard, or maybe your fire alarm. Those are what counts as embedded systems, and what one tackles when you're programming in embedded software engineering. There is an issue with embedded programming, however, and that's that it takes time. You might need to consider multiple embedded systems going into one singular project that requires flipping through many manuals for a lot of hardware, and that's all just to understand how the hardware works and how it should be used and coded for. But that's where our solution comes in. Using the Klein open source repository, we developed a fully integrated plugin for an in-IDE AI agent. And because Simplicity Studio 5, our target IDE, is itself built on the Eclipse IDE, pictured on the left of the logo, it can work within both. Some of our key functionalities involve ensuring the user has a smooth experience with the AI, making it an easy-to-use, accessible tool that the user has total control over, alongside having the ability to approve or deny any changes the AI may suggest making. Moving on to some high-level architecture, goes as follows. The end user, with the plugin installed, prompts the Simplicity Studio IDE agent, which itself is built upon the Eclipse IDE's plugin, which then sends the prompt to the client agent to process the given information. After client processes the given user prompt, it is given to the AI API of your choice, like Claude or GPT, for the API to then send the information back up the chain for the user to use and for the agent to modify files with. Now here is Client's own robust architecture, and this very same architecture is how Client is able to reason errors and logs, have file system awareness, and even execute a full iterative software development loop. Here you can also see the agent in action as it highlights code it's adding and removing, red that it's removing, green that it's adding in this first screenshot. And in the second screenshot, you can see the implementation process of a blinking LED. Next to the little mouse cursor, a little to the bottom right, you can see the delay counter and the blink delay values. Now there's still some minor work to be done, as setup can be more streamlined in the process of adding your API key and whatever such, and modifying changes that we have to make are making the project structure a little more organized in order for it to be able to be pushed as a full plugin. But with all that being said, we believe this will be a product that would help a lot of embedded software engineers with easy access to lots of information that can be quickly processed and given in a way users can understand and then ask more about. So with all that being said, thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed our presentation.